Imagine a forest slowly losing its trees over the years, except the forest is your scalp, and the trees are your precious hair strand. Are you a woman who's noticed your hair thinning over time? Do you find more and more strands in the shower drain? If so, you're not alone. Welcome back to Hair Logic, the channel where we look into the science of hair loss and help you find solutions to keep those locks in prime condition. If you're new here, we talk about everything hair related, from debunking myths to tackling the hard facts. Today's video is essential, especially for our female viewers. We'll take a look at the topic of female hair loss. Stick around and you'll learn what it is, why it happens, and what you can do about it. Just to clarify, we're discussing general female hair loss, which encompasses various forms of hair loss in women and not specifically only female pattern baldness, which is one specific type of hair loss pattern that is associated with a genetic predisposition. Let us know in the comments if you'd like for us to discuss specifically about female pattern baldness in a later video. So, what is female hair loss and how is it different from male pattern baldness? While it may seem like hair loss is a universal issue, there are unique aspects to consider for women. Whereas men usually experience receding hairlines or bald patches, women often notice diffuse thinning across the entire scalp. And it's not as rare as you might think. Did you know that by the age of 50, approximately 40% of women will experience some form of hair thinning? So, what causes female hair loss? Most people jump to genetics, and while that's certainly a major factor, it's far from the only one. Hormonal imbalances, menopause, and even stress can accelerate the process. Another kicker, birth control pills. Yeah, they could also be contributing to your hair woe. Ever heard of crash dieting? Yeah, that can also play a role. Other factors like thyroid conditions, polycystic ovary syndrome, and even certain medications can speed up hair loss. The cause might be more multifaceted than you think. Let's talk DHT. You might be wondering, what on earth is DHT? It's a hormone that can be your hair's worst enemy, as it plays a significant role in the type of hair loss we previously mentioned, female pattern baldness. This pesky little molecule can shrink hair follicles, making it difficult for healthy hair to survive. But wait, there's more than just DHT. Estrogen and progesterone, hormones that are generally beneficial for hair, can also fluctuate and cause issues. That's right. The hormone game is more complex than a Shakespearean drama. If you find this video insightful so far, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit. Your hair and theirs will thank you. When we talk about hormones and hair loss, the narrative often becomes a tangled web. So let's unravel it, shall we? DHT, as we've discussed, shrinks hair follicles. But what about estrogen and progesterone? These are often considered female hormones, and they generally support hair growth by extending the anagen phase, which is the growth phase of the hair cycle. Check out our other video with a little more information about the anagen phase and hair cycle in the below link if you like. Now, here's where it gets tricky. During certain life stages, such as menopause or periods of high stress, the balance between these hormones can get disrupted. Lower levels of estrogen and progesterone mean that the hormone, DHT, gets an upper hand, intensifying the hair thinning process. Additionally, other hormones like cortisol, the stress hormone, can further throw this delicate balance off, leading to accelerated hair loss. Understanding this interplay can guide you toward targeted treatments and lifestyle changes. Hormone replacement therapy, for example, aims to restore this balance. But it's not a one-size-fits-all solution, so consult with your healthcare provider for a tailored approach. There are treatments specifically designed for women that can help reverse or at least manage the hair loss. You've probably heard of Rogaine, but did you know there's a formulation just for women experiencing the specific female pattern baldness condition we mentioned earlier? That's right, there is. So check it out if that's something you're experiencing specifically. And that's not all. Laser therapy, corticosteroid creams, and even PRP treatments offer promising results for various types of female hair loss. Let's talk about corticosteroid creams for a moment. These are not your ordinary creams. They are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Inflammation can often contribute to hair loss by creating an unfriendly environment for your hair follicles. Corticosteroid creams aim to reduce this inflammation, providing your hair a fighting chance to grow. Now, you might be wondering, is this treatment right for me? Corticosteroid creams are generally prescribed for specific types of hair loss like alopecia areata, which is a condition that causes hair to fall out in patches. However, some healthcare providers do consider it as an off-label option in certain cases. Bear in mind that these creams are potent and can have side effects such as skin thinning or hormonal imbalances. Laser therapy is a treatment that uses red light therapy or cold lasers to stimulate hair growth by enhancing cellular respiration in hair follicles, improving circulation, and reducing inflammation. Platelet-rich plasma treatment involves extracting a small amount of your own blood, separating the platelet-rich plasma and injecting it back into the scalp, harnessing the body's natural healing capabilities to stimulate hair growth and repair damaged hair roots. But hey, if you're more of a DIY person, there are natural remedies that may help. Essential oils like rosemary and lavender, when mixed with a carrier oil, can potentially promote hair growth. Healthy scalp, healthy hair, am I right? And it doesn't stop there. What you eat plays a massive role in your hair health. Foods rich in biotin, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids can help you regain those luscious locks. Interested in an easy-to-follow diet plan or eager to try essential oils as a remedy? Let us know in the comment, and we will consider making a video on an easy-to-follow diet plan and dye essential oil recipes to promote healthy hair growth. In later videos, we will further explore hair loss, causes such as hormonal imbalances and stress, and also the mechanics of such subjects as platelet-rich plasma or hair transplant works. In our next video, we'll look at the effects of hormonal imbalances on hair loss, another topic you won't want to miss. If you want to check out our other video on male pattern baldness, click the link to the right. And that's it for us today. As always, stay confident and keep it shining. Until next time, this is Hair Logic signing off.